How did these two kids get 4.6 billion views on a single YouTube video? For context, this video is currently the most viewed video on YouTube. This video outperformed all of your favorite creators' videos and surpassed big creators like Mr. Beast, whose most viral video is sitting at only 1.6 billion views. So how did these kids create the most viewed video on YouTube, and how can you use the same pattern and strategy to blow up your long form videos or short form videos? Well, two things is all you need to apply to your videos, especially your short videos if you want to go viral. The first and most important part of your shorts videos is your hook or intro, which is the first 3 to 5 seconds of your video, because if not more than 80% of people stay to watch your video in the first 5 seconds, you are cooked, bro. But what type of hook stops people from scrolling to watch a video? 3 types. There is a visual hook, which is what you see or like something crazy visually happening. Then second, verbal hook or audio hook, which is what you hear.
Get off of her.
And third, text hook, which is simply text overlay on the video. So let's watch the video, and I want you to notice what the kids did and which type of hook they used. Have you seen what they did in just the first 3 seconds? They used a technique called instant gratification. They didn't waste time on an intro or explanation. They got straight to the point and started with their most impressive shot, hooking the viewers in the first second. This creates curiosity to viewers, and it makes the viewer to wonder, how did they do that? And what else can they do? You see, most people would have started the video with, "Hi guys, in today's video we are going to show you our best duo trick shots blah blah blah," and before you are even done talking, everyone would have gone to the next video. That is why your first 3 to 5 seconds of your video are the deciding factor to whether your video will go viral or not. Colin and Owen nailed the first part, that when viewers were just 5 seconds into the video, they had already seen 2 different trick shots. This is why the video blew up, cause this hook triggered mass replays. But they didn't stop there. To keep the viewers' attention, they constantly changed the pace and type of trick shots. So the pacing of your video is very important to keep your viewers watching your video. But also notice their reactions. Their genuine excitement makes the viewer feel like they are part of the success. So that plus the fast pace and variety also make the video highly replayable, because people want to see those trick shots again and again. This pacing pattern helped retention, which made YouTube to push the video even more. This strategy works on both long form and short form videos. So if you try and implement these strategies into your videos, your chances of also going viral go through the roof. And now that YouTube is massively killing channels for different reasons I talked about in this video, you'll be safe if you use this method. But if you want to know how to grow and get your channel monetized in just 7 to 30 days, then click this video.